Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make a very famous and delicious Japanese style potato salad. I remember when I was training, it was one of my favorite salad to make. So I'm gonna try to make it today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for German potato salad, we're gonna boil some potato first. So I have a boiling water here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Always you boil any vegetable, any pasta, just add a little bit of salt to give an extra flavor. So I have a two medium size of potato. I'm gonna boil it. So we're gonna boil until nice and tender. So while our potato is boiling, so we're gonna chop up some vegetable for our salad. So first we're gonna chop some onion. It's a small size onion. I'm gonna really fine chop. Just like this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to chop onion. So I'll cut into half lengthwise and then slice thinly without cutting all the way. Just leave the back of the onion attached and slice it as thin as possible. It's all like this, and then you're gonna go around the shape of the onion. You're gonna move your knife along with that slowly. So you see, nice and fine chopped onion coming. It's very simple and easy way to do it. And you turn the side and do it again. So now we're gonna chop our green onion. Also finely chopped. Then we're gonna chop some parsley, or if you find any dill, that'd be good also. Cut the end of the parsley and just chop it off. So let's see, all the vegetable is chopped. So now wait till our potato is nicely boiled. So our potato nicely boiled. So I'm gonna start peeling them. So just remove the skin. It's come out very nicely. So our mixing bowl, I'm gonna slice my potato first. I'm gonna add it to the mixing bowl. So just cut into half, and then also quarter. See the steam coming out from the potato. Just nicely sliced, thinly sliced. So you guys can see our potato nicely sliced. So I'm gonna start marinating them. So I'm gonna add salt, kosher salt. Black pepper. Good amount of black pepper. Mustard, about 1 tablespoon worth of mustard. I'm using a granny mustard. You can use any mustard if you wish to, or Dijon mustard. Give a nice flavor to the salad. And also I have a chicken stock, about half a cup. I'm gonna add it to the salad. Mix everything nice. Olive oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Combine everything nice. And also all the vegetable we chopped up earlier. So this is all the vegetable we're gonna add it to the mix. Onion, green onion. You can use gherkin also. So it's nicely marinate. I'm gonna add about half a teaspoon of white vinegar. It's up to you. You can use lemon juice also, but I like vinegar flavor, especially in this German style potato salad. So we're gonna mix everything nice. We're gonna do some presentation. Here salad bowl. I'm gonna add our potato in the salad bowl. Look very appetizing. Voila, look amazing. I'm gonna do some garnish. We're gonna sprinkle some green onion, some chopped parsley, and some reddish flour, red reddish flour. Now I'm gonna do a little bit little fancies. So I have a round plate. So I'm gonna do some fancy style. I have a round plate here. I have some sliced tomato. I'm gonna make a circle kind of thing with the sliced tomato. Just a little round. And also I'm using a cucumber too, same style. I'm gonna add like a circle. So just a little bit of imagination, you can turn into simple thing into gourmet style looking stuff. Voila. And then I'm gonna add my mold. I'm using a round mold. And same potato salad, I'm gonna put it inside of the mold. Just press it down evenly. And then we're gonna move our mold. Voila. And we're gonna garnish some diced tomato on the top, a little parsley, a little green onion, you can use any garnish you feel like. Look amazing. gonna wipe off the side of the plate. And also I'm using some oil. I have a chili oil. Just sprinkle some chili oil. Some green oil. And also some cracked pepper. Some dot also on the plate. Also the green oil. And some cracked pepper. Give a nice look to the dish. As you can see, look amazing. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out really nice, look amazing, taste amazing also, and also look pretty good. Please do try this recipe. It's simple and easy to make and it tastes delicious. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz everyone.